Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're looking to make your lashes look fuller, longer, and more defined, then this next product may just be your new favorite beauty tool. Today, we're checking out the Pupa Milano Vamp and Skinny Liner set, a mascara and eyeliner duo that promises volume, precision, and drama. So, if you want lashes that stand out, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you never miss another beauty review. Let's get into it. The Pupa Milano Vamp and Skinny Liner set comes with 3 essential products: a volume mascara, an ultra-slim eyeliner pen, and a sleek clutch bag with metallic detailing. This set is designed to provide everything you need for intense, defined eyes, from voluminous lashes to precise, long-lasting eyeliner. First, let's talk about the mascara. The formula is designed to build volume while also lengthening, separating, and defining each lash. What's interesting about this mascara is how it delivers a flake-free finish, which is always a big win for me. No one wants those annoying little flakes under their eyes halfway through the day. The mascara brush is curved, which really helps it fit the natural contours of your eyes, ensuring maximum coverage without the hassle. The wand is flexible, making the application process comfortable and smooth. The mascara also allows for buildable intensity. If you're going for a natural, soft lash look, one coat will give you just that. But if you're after something more dramatic, layer it up. With a second coat, you get bold, voluminous lashes that will have all eyes on you. The mascara's color is intense, providing a deep, rich black that makes your lashes pop. Now onto the eyeliner. The Pupa Milano Skinny Liner has an ultra-fine tip that allows you to create those crisp, sharp lines we all want. It's incredibly precise and gives you a defined look with minimal effort. The formula is smooth, fluid, and rich in pigment, meaning you won't deal with patchiness or uneven application. It dries quickly, so there's no waiting around. If you're someone who wants eyeliner that stays put throughout the day, this product has you covered. In terms of usage, I found both products incredibly easy to incorporate into my routine. The mascara is lightweight and applies without clumping, and the eyeliner pen is easy to control, so I was able to create that perfect line without any smudging or mistakes. I wore both products through my busy day, no touch-ups needed. The mascara stayed voluminous, and the eyeliner maintained its precision. When it comes to the pros and cons, here's what I found. Pros. The mascara provides a flake-free, voluminous look that can be built up for a more dramatic effect. The curved brush is perfectly designed to fit the eye's natural contours, ensuring a precise and comfortable application. The eyeliner is ultra-pigmented and offers incredible precision. Both products last throughout the day without smudging or fading. Cons? The mascara could feel a little heavy on the lashes if you go in with multiple layers, though this is common with most voluminous mascaras. The eyeliner's ultra-fine tip may not be ideal for those who prefer a thicker, more dramatic line. In terms of value for money, I'd say this set is definitely worth the investment, especially considering the high-quality performance of both the mascara and eyeliner. The intense color payoff, ease of use, and long-lasting effects make this set a solid choice for those who want to elevate their eye makeup game. Compared to other similar products on the market, the Pupa Milano Vamp, Mascara and Skinny Liner stand out for their buildable intensity and the ultra-precise liner that's easy to apply, even for makeup beginners. While you can find mascaras and eyeliners at a lower price, the overall performance here justifies the price point. The packaging is sleek, and the clutch bag that comes with the set adds a touch of elegance. Perfect for throwing into your bag and keeping your essentials on the go. I found that the mascara and eyeliner performed just as well at the end of the day as they did when I first applied them in the morning. No need for touch-ups, and my lashes looked as full as they did when I first put on the mascara. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. If you've had any experience with this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.